It's such a powerhouse, nature. The name of our company is Ovando. We are a full-service floral design and event production company. So we have our retail side where we have 2 stores, and you can come in and buy flowers, a bouquet. And in parallel, we have our event production department where we do full-scale design and production for events. Ovando is known for having a modern and elegant style, which embraces sculptural design, bright colors, and seasonal flowers. What keeps our customers coming back is certainly our creativity, our designs, but also the fact that we have exceptional customer service. Some of the customers that we work with are Donna Karan, Hermes, Armani. We work with the MoMA, with the W Hotels, the Four Seasons Hotels. We recently launched our luxury collection of scented candles, and in addition to that, we have our own signature collection of vases.